How to Buy Time, a practical guide. Hey there, ever feel like there's never enough time, like no matter how hard you try, the day just isn't long enough? Well, what if I told you there's a way to buy time? Yep, you heard me right. Stick around and I'll show you how. But first, let me tell you about our friend Ramon. Meet Ramon, your everyday hardworking man. He runs this small store in Pasig, works 12 hours a day, and still struggles to make ends meet. One day, while restocking noodles, his goddaughter Jenny came to visit. Jenny noticed how busy and tired Ramon looked. She asked him why he never seemed to have time for himself. Ramon sighed and said he had too many responsibilities to take a break. That's when Jenny shared an idea that changed everything: buying time. Jenny explained how money can be a tool to buy time. Here's how. First, delegate tasks that eat up your time but can be done by someone else. For example, Ramon spent hours each week washing clothes. Jenny suggested he use a laundry service instead. Initially, Ramon hesitated, worried about the extra cost. But when he tried it, he realized how much time he saved, time he could use to rest or think of ways to grow his business. At first, Ramon wasn't sure about spending money to save time, but when he saw the benefits, he started thinking of other ways to buy time. Jenny shared more tips, like occasionally ordering food instead of cooking every meal. Jenny emphasized balance. You don't have to outsource everything, but strategic spending can free up valuable time. For example, Ramon learned to use a simple inventory app to manage his store. It took some effort to set up, but once he got the hang of it, he could manage his tasks more efficiently. Another way to buy time is by investing in skills that streamline your tasks. Jenny suggested Ramon learn basic tools like Excel to track his expenses and profits. Though it required an upfront effort, it saved him hours of manual calculations in the long run. Think of it as planting seeds for a more efficient future. Ramon realized that buying time isn't just about spending money. It's about being smart with your resources and prioritizing what truly matters. With the extra time, he could spend more moments with his family, plan better for his business, and even take well-deserved breaks. So what's the lesson here? Time is precious, and while money can't literally buy it, it can help you create space for the things that matter most. Whether it's delegating tasks, investing in tools, or learning new skills, the goal is to make life easier and more meaningful. Time is precious, and while money can't literally buy it, it can help you create space for the things that matter most. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify time-consuming tasks that don't need your personal attention. Laundry, errands, or even small admin tasks can often be outsourced for a reasonable cost. Step 2. Prioritize your time for activities that only you can do, like spending time with loved ones or brainstorming for your business. And Step 3. Track how you're spending your time and money to see if the trade-offs are worth it. Ramon discovered that freeing up even just a few hours a week made a huge difference in his life. He could finally enjoy the little moments, like having dinner with his family or catching up on his favorite TV show. It's all about balance. Spending a little money now can lead to big returns in time and happiness later. It's not about being wasteful. It's about being intentional. This doesn't just apply to Ramon. Anyone can use these strategies. Working moms, students, young professionals. It's all about finding where your time is leaking and plugging those gaps. Now it's your turn. Think about your own life. Are there tasks you can delegate, tools you can invest in, skills you can learn to save time? Remember, time is the most valuable resource we have. Once it's gone, we can't get it back. Ramon's life didn't change overnight, but with small, consistent steps, he managed to take back control of his time. And you can too. Like Ramon, you too can buy time by being strategic with your money. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments, how do you buy time? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.